What's good, Humble Squad? We back here with another reaction for y'all, and this one is a double reaction and such. So it's been a long minute since I've heard some Lil Yachty and such, cause the last time we reacted to Lil Yachty was when he was on that AMP cipher and such. And hey, I'm not gonna fault y'all. Lil Yachty went pretty crazy on that and such, and pretty much lyrical too. So hey, I figured, you know what? Since it's been a little minute and such, and who knows, maybe I want to come, maybe if y'all like it too, we can come back to some more Yachty and such. So we got two songs of him we're gonna react to. The first one is Solo STEPPIN CRETE Boy, and this was from a month ago if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, a month ago. So hey, let's check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials up there, and without further ado, let's get in video.
Yachty, what's good? I'm on stream right now.
You got Kai.
I was just saying, please call Yachty right now and tell him to officially drop the freestyle.
I said less. I got your blessing. I'll drop it.
Look.
Oh, so this was from his. Okay, so I see you. Now, if y'all don't remember, this was from his like verse on that cipher and such. So okay.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. I was counting up in him on a private flight. All this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. All my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol.
All my installed all my B words. Hold on.
Up a sack on that purple Sprite. All my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol.
All my bitches been official, even told a pistol. Because if y'all know, in certain sports and such, there's gonna be a referee with a pistol and such. Woo! And even blow a whistle.
Like a whistle, lie to officials. I drip you down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill? I cut your line, tell me, and I fuck with you still. There's so many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit. I might run for senate.
Stepping on swinging shit. I might run for senate. Hold on. As of late, y'all cannot tell me, right, with Lil Yachty, I've been saying this before, that in the like, if y'all remember back in 2016s with the double freshman ciphers and such, y'all gotta realize, even though in 2016 people were like doubting the likes of Lil Uzi and Lil Yachty and others and such on that cipher, all I said before is, if you take time with it, trust me, people are gonna take time with it, give it upon time and such, and who knows, these niggas can come back and such and start being much better and such. And look what happened. Yachty came back on that AMP cipher and such, and my nigga was snapping on that one. So hey,
nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit. I might run for senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Been them niggas ever since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see her. It was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions. I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffing. Bring my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Yeah, baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I've been living shady. I've been being up.
Ooh, hold up.
Bank that I'm spinning still.
Lifestyle shit getting twisted. I've been living shady. Creep.
Twisted, I've been living shady. I've been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'ma step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air drakes, I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. Fuck a sack up at a jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller, I don't know Q. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. And did a clip, reload the clip, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad.
Empty the clip. Hold up. Empty the clip, reload the clip. We call it sleight of hand. Yo, Lil Yachty has been back in his rapping. In a way, I can say he's gotten more serious with his rapping bag. I don't know why.
Everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the clip, reload the clip, we call it
Sleight of hand.
My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't care. Take a quote, I copped RP a couple lambs. That boy is not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grew up better than Adonis Graham.
He ain't no gangster, grew up. Is that a shot at Drake? What the hell?
King, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grew up better than Adonis Graham.
Grew up better than Adonis Graham. Shout out to Drake's son.
It's us.
This beat though. Ain't gonna lie. The way how that beat sounded and such. I don't know why that beat kind of fits Lil Yachty and such. Because it has that like saucy / arrogant vibe and such. I don't know why. It just does. But we on to the last. We on to the next song now, which is his Tesla, directed by Cole Bennett on Lyrical Lemonade. Let's get it. Hold on. Now this one was 2 weeks ago, so let's see what he does on this one and such. And hey, shout out to Lyrical Lemonade. You already know with them, they come. Shout out to Cole Bennett and such, cause man, all I say is with Cole Bennett, this man can produce a video. It's basically like this. With the way I seen he done with Baby Tron and such with his videos, the man shot that over iPhone. So if you tell me that you're a video director and you think like, oh, you need this expensive equipment and such, nigga, just remember, Cole Bennett directed certain stuff on his most recently directed stuff on his iPhone. His iPhone, nigga. Like, bro, that just shows you the work ethic of Cole Bennett himself. Like, man, like he knows he got all this expensive equipment and such, but nope, nigga said, you know what? F it. Shot this bitch on an iPhone. And that sucker, and that song that Baby Tron did got a lot of views. Millions upon millions of views. So hey, it just goes to show you, don't just think that you need a whole bunch of expensive stuff to record a video and such. You can literally just use an iPhone, and if you have a creative mind, shit, you good. But let's get into this. Lil Bo.
Us. I ain't going back and forth with that nigga. He ain't even made no millions. He keep on dropping a blunt. It's the real reason. Back and forth, till it ain't even. Till it ain't easy. Seek help immediately. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gas him up and get him killed. My bitch spoiled like the milk. He get tough off a pill, he get pilled. Send the bitch home, acting goofy, my cup spilled. Bitch, you for real? Okay, go. Bitch, we the new Beatles. Shoot a film, regal. In the air, eagle. I don't want it if it's legal. Throw back this Tesla. Throw back that.
Why the man dancing like Drake? This man dancing like Drake in that Hotline Bling and such. Like, if I remember that nigga dancing and such, I know when that Hotline Bling. But the thing is, what I'm saying is like, right, with rap nowadays, always want to talk about the spinning for ops and all that and such. People are gonna get, you see why people are saying about how rap is declining and such? That most of the times we need that fuck. That nowadays you see the rappers like BLP Kosher, that Mexican OT, Baby Tron and such. they're not taking themselves too serious and such, and they making the music videos for rap and such, but not only spitting fire bars, but make it be fun again. And who knows? And since with Lil Yachty, he can bring that shit back.
Go back that. Yo, I just wanna taste it. This little bitch my ace. Doggy serve it.
What the hell is this nigga?
Even army bases. They ain't gotta like me. They just gotta face it. You can end on jaded. Ratchet bitch, I hate it. Step. Geek, duck, geek, move. Keep the top down. Make the ops frown. Switch sound like in the background. Hey, go back this Tesla. Go back that.
This is just fun.
I can't lie, girl, I'm high. Fucking up a set, put my wrist in the sky. Gangsta on the net, in real life that won't fly.
Gangster on the net. Wait, gangster on the net and what?
In the sky, gangsta on the net, in real life that won't fly. I can show you how to get them M's DIY. Put her on the spot, no time to be shy.
Hey,
There you go.
hey.
There he is. Get that boy. Get that boy.
Get that boy. Run,
Get
nigga.
that boy. Chill. Hey, go back this Tesla. Go back that.
Shit, maybe that's a. Sorry, almost lost my throat. Pause. But hey, that was like a fun little reaction and such. And that's the thing too. All I'm saying is with certain songs, it doesn't have to be serious all the time. Unless you have like a serious topic you want to talk about. Most of the times, it's basically like this. With nowadays, with how rap is and such, all I say is, as long as it's fun, you can still spit them bars, and you're making a song where you're not taking yourself too serious, but at the same time, showing that people you can rap for real. That's all we need. Because lately, you see how rap and such is not being a lot of fun, as you can see. It's always like the same formula about how you're talking about this and talking about that. It was basically saying that sooner or later, people are going to look out to the new trend and such about how rap needs to be more charismatic, you can say. Because it's not saying hip hop is going to fade away and such. It's not saying that at all. But sooner or later, you're going to have the likes of music like Lil Yachty's and such. That Mexican OT, BLP Kosher, Babytron, all them and such. That's going to like make music more charismatic, more entertaining, and you can spill bars and such. So, hey, shout out to Lil Yachty, shout out to Cole Bennett. Hopefully, let's see how this video does and such with this double reaction. But either way, y'all let me know what y'all thought about this down in the comments below. It's been your boy Humble Ziggy signing out. Make sure to check out my other reactions right here. Follow me on all my socials up there. And if you want to donate, hit me up on my Cash App right there. Or, if you don't have Cash App, hit me up on my pen pal. Hold on, let me see. Because I normally, if you do have Cash App, it's cool. But hold on. I forgot what I know I can, if you have PayPal as well, you can hit me up on my PayPal. Hold up. It's at Humble Ziggy 1K. If you can see it, hold on. Oops, sorry. Same thing. If you see it, it's right there. Humble Ziggy 1K or just Humble Ziggy. If you do have PayPal and such, there you go. But either way, it's been your boy Humble Ziggy signing out. Stay positive and keep the vibes up. Let go.